Hello wonderful students. Today we will be revising the second chapter of organic chemistry, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohol is formed when a saturated carbon atom is bonded to a hydroxyl group. Example, methanol and propane-to-ol. Classification of alcohol. Depending on the number of hydroxyl groups attached, alcohols can be classified into three types. Monohydric alcohols, they contain one hydroxyl group, example, ethanol. Dihydric alcohols, they contain two hydroxyl groups, example, 1,2 ethane diol. Trihydric alcohols, they contain three hydroxyl groups, example, 1,2, 3 propane triol. Depending on the number of carbon atoms, alcohols can be classified into three types. Primary alcohols, one carbon atom is directly attached. Secondary alcohol, two carbon atoms are directly attached, and tertiary alcohol, three carbon atoms are directly attached. Preparation of alcohol from alkenes. When alkene is heated with water in presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst, alcohol is formed. From carbonyl compound. When aldehyde and ketone is reduced with nickel, platinum or palladium, primary and secondary alcohols are formed respectively. From esters. When ester is reduced in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium, alcohol is formed. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. All three types of alcohol, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, can be prepared from Grignard reagent by interaction with suitable carbonyl compounds, that is formaldehyde, aldehyde and ketone. Chemical properties. Alcohol exhibits a wide range of spontaneous chemical reactions. Some prominent chemical reactions of alcohol are oxidation of alcohol. Alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of an oxidizing agent to produce aldehydes and ketones, which on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. By using TCC or chromic oxide. When primary and secondary alcohol is oxidized with TCC or chromic oxide, aldehyde and ketones are formed respectively. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. When vapors of primary and secondary alcohol is passed over heated copper catalyst at 573 Kelvin, dehydrogenation takes place, that is elimination of H2 forming aldehyde and ketone. Dehydration of alcohol. When alcohol is treated with concentrated H2SO4, dehydration takes place forming alkene. Mechanism. Where step 1 includes protonation of alcohol. Alcohol abstracts a proton forming protonated alcohol. In the second step, the protonated alcohol uses water forming carbocation. Further, the formed carbocation releases a proton forming alkene. Lucas test. Lucas test is conducted to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Lucas reagent is nothing but a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. For tertiary alcohol, turbidity appears immediately. For secondary alcohol, turbidity appears after some time, and for primary alcohol, turbidity appears only on heating. In the next video, we will begin with phenols. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected. Goodbye.